Hi, this is Mr. O, and I think I'm going to show you how to use the center diameter circle tool along with the sketch dimension tool, so that if as in the previous example, if you would like to put a circle in the middle and extrude through this positively or negatively, but you want to line it up to the middle. So let me create a circle. I click on that circle, and wherever I place this and I drag out, you will see it'll ask me what is the diameter of the circle that you want to place. So I'm going to go pretty long there, and I'm going to say I want it to be 20 millimeters in diameter. Bang, there we go. But it's not very center, hey? So I'd like to put this in the center. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my sketch dimension tool, go where I've got a little bit of space, and if that is 20 and this whole length or this cube is 30, I think a center will be 5 and 5. 5 mils from this edge and 5 mils from this edge will make that perfectly in the middle. So I'm going to choose this edge here. Oh, I didn't select it correctly. This edge there and this edge there. Drag my dimensions. Oh, I didn't select the right thing. It helps if I select that edge there, select that edge there, and I drag across. Oh, it's to my center. Excellent. Which means I'm just going to type in, what's the center? What's half of 30 is 15. Okay, so my X or my Y axis from top to bottom is at 15. Now I want to align this and move it over to this way, so my circle is in the middle. I'm still got the sketch dimension tool selected. So what I'm going to do is, this has been lined up. I want to line it up this way. I'll select this edge to that edge, 15, and there we go. I have now lined up my circle to be exactly in the middle. Without finishing my sketch yet, I'm going to put it into 3 dimensions. You can see it's perfectly in the middle, and I will finish my sketch. And if I zoom out, you now have the option to choose that circle and extrude it positively. Oh, helps if I fuck there, positively, or make a hole right through the middle and negatively. Push return. Let's have a look. Oh, I didn't go far enough. Interesting. But there we go. I was just guessing and having a bit of fun. So now you know how to use the sketch tool, circle diameter, as well as the sketch dimension. And you'll notice here, if I want to turn this a bit, it looks like it's upside down from where I was working. There's a little arrow on the right here. I just pivot 90 degrees counterclockwise, 180 degrees counterclockwise, and I'm where I was when I was doing my drawing. I hope that helps.